Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening SQL Server Management Studio and connecting to the database you need. This ensures context and permissions are correct. Next, open a new query window and paste or type your TSQL. Run the query using F5 or execute so you confirm it returns expected rows and performance is acceptable. Once done, make small edits to parameterize or add comments. This saves time later and documents purpose. It also prevents saving accidental test values. Now save the query to disk so it's reusable. Choose File, Save As, then pick a clear file name ending in SQL. Save into a project folder or repository for version control and easy retrieval. That also helps team collaboration. In the file, add a brief header with author, date, purpose, and expected parameters so future you or colleagues understand intent. Make sure to avoid hard-coded credentials and to include any dependency notes. Finally, decide whether you want the query available in SSMS or in source control. You can add it to an SSMS project or templates to open quickly. Alternatively, commit the SQL file to Git with a clear commit message so changes are tracked. Once saved, test loading it into a fresh query window to confirm it runs. If something goes wrong, make sure you have right permission, the file isn't locked, and the save path is valid. Those are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.